up YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again with another miniature box today. Mini box $5.50 from Soul Supremacy out of California. UPS just dropped this off, man. They drop all my packages late. It's like 6 o'clock my time. But yeah, this box just got here. I got 2 boxes. I'm gonna shoot this one, and then I got a 440 box to be up right after this video. So I don't want to keep you guys too long. I'm gonna jump right in this one. You guys know the mini boxes. Most of the shoes be DS. I haven't seen a mini box with pre-owned shoes in the chest, so I kind of like the DS thing, man. The last 2 boxes did me real good. They both had 3 pair in them. And this box off top has 3 pair in them, and I already can see what's in here because this is a pack with half the pack. We got the Golden Moment, Retro 7s, DS. Still in good shape, man. I mean, DS, you can't beat that. Size 10. Retro 7, very nice. I wish it was the whole pack, but for a $5.50 box, you know, that's still not too bad. Next up, I got Soul Supremacy tag on it, so you know that's good. Retro 4 box, size 10 on this one. Also, Dunk from Above, Retro 4s. Very, very slept on shoe, man. The leather on these are nice. Gum bottoms, these are dope. I've had these before in my personal collection. I'm assuming this is the receipt in this little Ziploc bag. But yeah, still got the hang tag and all of that stuff with it. Dead stock. And lastly in this box, 3 pair in this box. Haven't had one of these before. We have the Adidas collab with sneakers and stuff. Somebody else. I've seen these before, man. These are dope. These are dope. I'm not a super big Ultra Boost guy, but the materials on these are nice. These are real clean. I know these are gonna sell super fast. Sneakers and stuff collab, and I want to say it's a collab with somebody else too, man. I can't remember who else, but these are a size 8.5, and I'm sure this is the money shoe in the box. $5.50 box. I know these go for a really good amount, so yeah, these will probably sell real fast, man. That's a good thing about these miniature boxes. All the shoes are DS, and they easy to list. We don't even have to take pictures, throw them up on Gold or anything like that. So both of these, all 3 of these will be up in the eBay auctions. Maybe if they don't sell on Gold or somewhere else first. Like I said, I got a 440 box also. That video will be up soon. And that's it, man. That's it. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, man. I'm out. Peace. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy T. Back again with another beater box today out of Soul Supremacy out of California. Today this box cost me 440 bucks. 440 shipped for this box, so not a high end, low end, more of a low end box, but sometimes we still get some goodies in those, so we're gonna have to jump in and see. Again, these boxes are out of California from Soul Supremacy. Nothing more, nothing less, just a mystery box of kicks. For all the new subscribers who may not, you know, be familiar with beater boxes, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box. So we'll jump in, have our fingers crossed, and hopefully we get something good. Oh man, and off top, I'm hoping off top this loose pair is my size. I need these. Need these. Oh, we got 2 loosies in here. Yeah, this is what I need to be my size, and just by picking them up, they are not my size. These are size 9. No box on these. We got flu games, man. Super clean. One of my favorite 12s. Man, just very nice. This has to be the 2016 release. No box, that sucks. But other than that, very nice pickup. Should be pretty simple to move these. This is one of everybody's favorite 12s. Man, these are just classic. Very dope. The last pair without a box, I got a pair of Baron 11s. Not too bad. These are size 11.5. We got the Baron 11s. Not too bad. I probably would keep these if they were my size. I need some. I never had these in my collection. Like I said, 11.5. Still got the 23 on the back. Pretty clean. Not too bad. Could use a good cleaning job. But overall, they're cool. Alright, the rest of these shoes come with the boxes. I got a Jordan Retro 2, size 9.5. Infrared 2s. 9.5. Still got the shoe trees in them and all of that good stuff. I know a lot of people not fans of 2s unless it comes to something limited like some Don C's or something like that. These right here do have some scuffing. Look like I might be able to get that out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. These do have some scuffing on the back, but overall they're not too bad. Retro 2, size 9.5, decent size. You know, a couple 9.5 people. Next up, we got some Cortez. I love Cortezes. I say I love them, but I don't have one pair because I can't find the pair that I'm looking for my size. Never had these in hand, and I can't remember. This is the baseball desert something. These are Nike Cortez, size 10.5, quick strike. And these are in really good shape too. Really good shape. It's a white bottom. You can tell they barely been worn. Just looking at the bottoms. Got that Nike on the back. These are pretty clean. These are size 10.5. And I'm not gonna keep them. I'm just I'm into the regular nylon black and white, navy and white, OG colors. We got another 11.5. Man, this box is full of 11.5. That's 3 pairs so far. These things again. We got Cyber Mondays. 11.5 Cyber Mondays. Retro ones. One of the slept on ones. Black and white. Pretty simple. Nothing too much here. Beaters got some creasing, dirt. I'm gonna have to get these cleaned up before I can sell these. But it's an OG one, so it should sell pretty good. And yeah, size 11.5. Got a little Adidas box, size 8.5. We got the iniki runners. These are pretty cool right here. Size 8.5. They actually look bigger than 8.5, but they're 8.5. I've never had any of these in hand. Really lightweight. It's a pretty cool colorway too. These probably be dope. Some cool little joggers or something. Red bottoms on them. Iniki runner. This is my first time ever getting a pair of these in a beater box. This again was a $440 box. And so far not too bad, man. The flu games, the Barons, Iniki runners. I got 2 pair left. Oh, I got 1 pair I know what's in it, and this pair I don't. Size 10.5. Ooh, I need these. These probably will be staying with me. I need to drop them off and get them cleaned. But overall, I think I need these. The Carmine 6s. Yeah, these is hard. I think I'm gonna keep these. I'm pretty sure these will not be up on the auction. I sold my last pair and regretted it. And yeah, these to me look really well. I just gotta drop them off and get them cleaned up. I got a guy here locally who does my cleaning and restoration jobs and all that stuff, because I don't have a lot of time to do all of that. So drop it off to him and let him hook it up for me. But these is a really good pickup for me, and yes, I needed these. Keep on staring at them. Instant keepers again. These right here would be instant keepers if I didn't already keep some from my last box. We got the 72 and 10s. You guys can already tell from the box what they are. Size 11.5. I'm pretty sure they're not DS. This is come with all the trimmings with the box and all of that. These also could use a good wipe down, but they're an 11. They will seal really fast. So we got two pair of 11s in here, both size 11.5. 72 and 10s need a good cleaning, but not too bad. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this box. 440 bucks. And I got me some Carmines out of it, so I'm not mad at all. Very good box. Thank you guys for watching. I'm about to get up on out of here. I'm kind of rushed through this box. I got a lot of stuff I got to get done today, man. And I still need to take pictures and drop these shoes off to be cleaned, so I can have some clean shoes for y'all for sale, man. Hit that eBay link down below. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE, man. Hit me up. You can just email me directly, tgotsole@gmail.com. If you see anything here you want, but like I always say, until I get the website going, just hit that eBay link and see what I have available there. Then you can, hit me up and let me know, if you see anything you like. But that does it for this Vita box. 440 bucks. Leave down in the comments what you think about this box, man. I'm pretty pleased with it. Especially since I got me some keepers. So I'm gonna get up on out of here. I'm out. Peace.